Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share with you all this Advent calendar that I created. It's a 24-day Advent calendar, which is typical of most Advent calendars, but I decided to go ahead and put a 25th box, which is this one right here, and it opens up like so, and you can house, a little gift there. Hopefully this is the gift with the bling in it, if this is an adult Advent calendar. But I had a Ustream class on this, and I wasn't able to show this how I actually made it, and I've got several requests on how to make this Advent calendar final box, and I'm here to show you this, ladies. So for those of you who have emailed me and who have been asking, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. But anyway, this was a Ustream class, and I show you how to create this from start to finish. This is completely created out of cardstock and little boxes that I gave all dimensions for, and these little drawers here that are completely functional for candies. And of course, I can't pull it out for the kitties. And it's absolutely adorable, and they all pull out typically very easily, but my fingers apparently are too chunky right now and they don't want to come out. But anyway, those come out just like so. And ever since I made this calendar and I've had my class, I've seen lots of people with their rendition of it, and I really, really love the way they've all turned out. So I hope you had a lot of fun with it. I hope you like my project, and thank you so much for letting people know that you found it at Paper Phenomenon. So anyway, here is the 26th box, or the 25th box. Dork, I tell ya. You're going to need a piece of cardstock that measures 6 by 6. Okay, you're going to score it at 1.5, 3 inches, and then again at 4.5. Then you're going to rotate it one side, and then you're going to score it again at 1.5 and then at 4.5 inches. The dashes represent a score mark, and then the hard lines represent what you're actually going to cut. Okay, so once you finish scoring your sheet of 6 by 6 cardstock, you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut right where you see the hard line. So you're going to cut there, 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 and there, and this X represents that you're going to cut out the entire box. Okay, and this is what you're left with. Alrighty, so you're left with something that looks like this. And then all you're going to do is put it together like a basic box, except that you're going to leave this flap for the very end, because this is your actual door. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and put your side flaps in first, right? And you're going to go ahead and glue those. Whoopsie. And just like so. Just like you're making any regular style box, except that this one has a little flap for a door closure. Okay, so there you form that side of the box, and you're going to do the same thing for this side. And you are going to make sure that your flaps are nice and even when you make your box, because you want a nice looking box. You don't want all those corners undone, etc., etc. So in my box, I did it in red for my project. So this is basically the box. You can go ahead and cover the perimeter with patterned paper, and that's it. And then here's your door. Okay, so what I did for mine, hopefully you guys got that, okay? It's very, very simple, my friends. So what I did for mine, I just went ahead and covered it with patterned paper. As you can see right here, I created this bow out of paper, which is very, very simple to do. And then I made it look like a present, and then I put some Prima Bling right there in the center, and I did a little bit of tinsel right here around the edge and put some berries on the top just to adorn the bow. And that's it, guys. If you're interested in making this Advent calendar, again, it's completely made out of cardstock, and obviously all of this embellishment. You can check out my Ustream class at www.paperphenomenon.blogspot.com and click on your left hand side, which is my Ustream channel. There's a large button at the very top. You cannot miss it. So guys, be sure to check me out. And there is the 25th box, my ladies. I hope you had a good time, and I can't wait to see all of the finished projects on the Paper Phenomenon Ning site. Until next time, my friends.